Alright, we're in Daytona Beach. At some building I don't know the name of. And look what we found. What do you know? We got an old Dover. Dover traditional, newer. Nice. Let's get a cab view. Very nice. Okay, let's go up to 2. It's dark in here. And oh wow, a Dover in Florida that isn't labeled as a Miami. Down to 1. There's an ADA compliant phone. The buttons stick out a bit, as you can see. Watch as one goes out. See, look. See, look, the button sticks out a bit. On 2. Right down to 1. On 1. One more ride. It makes a weird vibrating noise. Closes instantly as you push the button. Relay controlled, obviously. And you're on 1. Kone sensors. And there it goes. You can hear it click, the relays. Listen. I love those noises the relays make. Let's send it up. We'll listen to the motor going up. Don't shut. Right, listen. Here we go, listen. Hello. I'm just interested in elevators, that's all.
Sorry?
I'm just interested in elevators.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. Well, have a nice day.
And you too.
That's